Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Laptop 1868. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we are addressing today is a cracked screen on your Surface Laptop 1868, where the touch functionality is also not working. This can happen due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage, making your device unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, adhesive strips, and a new screen compatible with the Surface Laptop 1868. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of the laptop. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Once open, locate the screen assembly. It is usually attached with screws around the edges. Gently unscrew these using your precision screwdriver. Be cautious not to strip the screws, as they can be quite small. After removing the screws, you will need to disconnect the display cables. These cables are delicate, so use the plastic opening tool to gently lift the connectors from their sockets. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now you can carefully remove the cracked screen. Place the new screen in position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Reconnect the display cables, making sure they click into place securely. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, applying gentle but firm pressure to secure everything. Once the screen is fitted and all screws tightened, place the back cover back on. Make sure it clicks into place all around. Finally, power on the device to check that everything functions correctly. You should see your new screen lighting up beautifully. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, consider using a sturdy case or screen protector for your Surface laptop. Avoid placing heavy objects on top of it and handle it with care to minimize the risk of drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.